www.youtube.com/talenta Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the world of automotive repairs with a focus on Honda Odyssey 2018. Specifically, we'll be looking at a car that was misfiring due to a leaky valve cover gasket. Now let's break down the issue. The car was misfiring cylinder number 1 because oil was leaking from the valve cover gasket to the plugs and coil. To fix this, we had to remove the intake and the valve cover gasket to replace it. We also replaced the plugs and the new coil for cylinder number 1, number 2, and number 3. After that, the car was running perfectly. Please, thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for joining us on this car repair journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. Until next time, keep those engines running smoothly.